Deciding to build a communications practice with Microsoft Teams is very exciting, with a great deal of opportunity. In this section, we'll walk through a 7-step process for developing your practice for calling, meetings, and even the associated devices. As there are many things to consider, a key point to remember is that many customers are asking for more flexible solutions to enable users to fulfill their calling and meeting needs across all types of devices and networks, while still providing IT with the security, manageability, and control they require. Historically, a partner that was going to get into the communications competency needed to ensure they could deploy the entire workload from enterprise voice, conferencing, instant messaging, presence, as well as all auxiliary workloads and components, with a deep expertise in server technologies and even networking. The transition to the cloud and Microsoft Teams creates a unique opportunity, enabling partners to become more focused on what areas of the practice they want to deliver: calling, meeting, and/or devices. Therein lies the question: where do I start? Where do I want to play? This 7-step process will give you the structured approach to build your Microsoft Teams communications practice. First, you're going to start with the market landscape, analyze the shifts and trends within the market, and explore how Microsoft Teams for calling, meetings, and devices differentiates itself in the marketplace. Next, you want to identify the key stakeholders within your organization to help develop this calling and meeting practice and learn what it means to have each of those roles engaged in the process. Next is the partner opportunity, understanding how you can make money when building out a calling and meetings practice, and with the respective components: licensing, managed services, deployment, device sales, etc. Next is readiness. Using the skills assessment tool enables you to review the capabilities and skills you have for calling, meeting, and devices in your organization and help determine your readiness path. Next, now that you've inventoried all your existing skills, go build a plan where you need to train for new skills or hire new talent. Utilizing the technical and sales readiness resources within this guide will help enable your team to accelerate your calling and meetings practice. Next is developing your service portfolio. Develop a structured, repeatable offer that meets the needs of the market with Microsoft Teams, calling, meetings, and devices. Utilize existing go-to-market accelerators like the Teamwork Assessment, or build an offer based on standardized engagements like meeting room assessments. Use these engagements to extend the value proposition for Microsoft Teams within the service offer you create to solve customer needs. Finally is the go-to-market plan. You need to have an end-to-end sales and marketing motion to engage customers on the opportunities around your specific calling and meeting capabilities. According to a recent study, partners that have not historically been in the communication space see a large growth opportunity for calling and meetings in Microsoft Teams. So in closing, utilize this framework to determine how you want to develop your Microsoft Teams communications practice.